Have you ever wondered if those tornado myths you've heard are actually true? You know the ones. Tornado Alley is the only place they happen, or hide under a bridge to stay safe. Well, today, we're diving into the eye of the storm, literally and figuratively, to bust some myths, explore the science, and uncover the truth about one of nature's most powerful forces, the tornado. To understand tornadoes, we first need to look at the storms that create them. Most tornadoes form from a specific type of thunderstorm known as a supercell, a monster of a storm with a rotating updraft called a mesocyclone. When winds at different altitudes blow at different speeds or directions, this creates wind shear, a key ingredient for rotation. As that rotating air gets pulled upward into the supercell's updraft, it tightens, like a spinning ice skater pulling in their arms, and boom, rotation intensifies. Meteorologists can often spot a developing tornado before it even touches the ground. On Doppler radar, this rotation appears as what's called a tornado signature. That mesocyclone? It's the storm's warning signal, a swirling vortex that might soon become a full-blown tornado. You've probably heard of Tornado Alley, a nickname for the central US where tornadoes are most frequent. But here's the twist. Tornadoes don't care about borders. They've been spotted on every continent except Antarctica. From Germany to Argentina, the conditions just need to be right, and they can form anywhere. And what about tornado season? While it's true that tornadoes are more common in the spring and early summer in the US, they can and do happen year-round. Yes, even in December. Now for one of the most dangerous myths out there, taking shelter under a bridge. It might look safe, but it's actually one of the worst places you can be. The narrow opening can funnel wind and debris, making the situation even more deadly. So what should you watch for? Dark, green-tinted skies, a loud, continuous roar, swirling debris, even if you can't see a funnel. These are all signs that a tornado might be near. Always stay informed. Weather apps, no-way weather radios, and alerts from local officials can give you crucial minutes to act. And when that warning hits, don't wait. Get to the lowest level of a sturdy building, preferably a basement or interior room with no windows. Stay away from glass, and never try to outrun a tornado in your car if you can avoid it. Tornadoes are still full of mystery, but scientists are making incredible strides. Field research, computer modeling, and storm chasing help us better understand how these violent vortices form, strengthen, and move. Tools like Doppler radar allow forecasters to track storms with pinpoint precision, sometimes issuing warnings up to 15 minutes before a tornado hits. And it's not just about technology, it's about you. Public awareness is one of the most powerful tools we have. Because when people understand tornadoes, they're more likely to take them seriously and stay safe. So the next time you hear a tornado myth, you'll know better. Tornadoes are awe-inspiring and dangerous. But with the right knowledge, we can respect them, prepare for them, and stay safe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more weather science and myth-busting content. And remember, when the skies turn dark, let knowledge be your shelter.